हेलो व्यूअर्स, वेलकम बैक टू फिट टुगेदर एंड अ वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग। आज हम निकल रहे हैं बैंगलोर से एक शॉर्ट और मच नीडेड रोड ट्रिप पर। ऑनेस्टली काफ़ी टाइम से आई वाज क्रेविंग अ स्लो पीसफुल एस्केप। वी आर हेडिंग टू डोमेन सुला इन चन्नपटना, जो बैंगलोर से अराउंड 60 किलोमीटर्स पे है। बाई कार इट टेक्स रफली 1.5 hours to 2 hours डिपेंडिंग ऑन द ट्रैफिक। आप माइसोर रोड NH 275 से ड्राइव कर सकते हो और ड्राइव काफ़ी स्मूथ और सीनिक भी है। मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद होता है ना यार, सब जब सिटी से दूर हम धीरे धीरे ग्रीनरी में चेंज हो जाते हैं। विंडोज थोड़ी सी ओपन, म्यूजिक इज ऑन एंड जस्ट दैट रिलैक्स रोड ट्रिप वाली फीलिंग। And at the end of it, a vineyard with open skies, slow evenings, exactly the kind of pause we all need. So come with us, Bangalore se Domain Sula tak. Let's experience this together. First thing first, entry fee is 600 on weekdays and 800 on weekends. And the best part, it's totally redeemable on food and drinks. मतलब जो एंट्री में दिया वो खाने पीने में एडजस्ट कर लिया जा सकता है, and we love that part. Then they had a 45 minutes vineyard tour where you literally walk through the grape farms, learn how the whole winemaking process happens from grape to bottle. It's actually very cool and surprisingly informative. थोड़ा सा क्लासी और थोड़ा सा फन भी था, बट क्योंकि वहाँ पे कैमराज अलाउड नहीं था तो बाहर से whatever was possible we took the shots. Honestly guys, मुझे बिल्कुल एक्सपेक्ट नहीं था कि बैंगलोर के इतने पास इतना ब्यूटीफुल विनियार्ड होगा। These domains Sula estates spread across roughly 100 plus acres, मतलब लिटरली जहाँ तक आके जाए बस नीटली लाइन ग्रेप वाइन्स आपको देखने मिलेगा। It feels like Tuscany vibes, but you are actually in Karnataka. है ना surreal? यहाँ के ग्रेप फार्म्स आर सो वेल मेंटेन, डिफरेंट वेराइटीज के ग्रेप्स ग्रो होती है डिपेंडिंग ऑन द काइंड ऑफ वाइन दे प्रोड्यूस। And obviously, wine tasting is a must. You can taste like 6 different wines for around 500 to 1000 extra charge. They explain the notes, how to swirl, how to smell. Full sophisticated moment tha wo. And if you come in the right season, you can even do grape stomping. Yes, barefoot, filmy wali vibes. Overall tha ye super scenic, relaxed and perfect for chill getaway. And this one, you must plan for it.
Also look at the wine in the glass. When you look at the wine, you find each wine to taste by the color itself. And the second thing, it's easy to identify that any sediments or anything in the wine.
I love this part so much. It's giving such rustic, cozy winery vibes. You can actually see the barrels, the cute little baskets, the garden view right outside the glass windows. Pura aesthetic smooth hai. And that colorful Sula installation outside, so fun, so vibrant, perfect for photo spot. Inside, it feels calm, slightly woody, very European countryside energy.
So now let's talk about the restaurant experience at Domain Sula. And honestly, it was such a vibe. The moment you walk in, it feels as calm and premium as possible. Large glass windows, vineyard views all around, and that soft natural light coming in. Pure European countryside energy. You are literally dining in the middle of grape farms. How cute is that? The seating is spacious and aesthetic. Thora rustic, thora classy. Perfect for a slow lunch date or even a relaxed family outing. But of course, food with wine pairing, chef's kiss. You can order your favorite dishes and pair them with their in house wines. Staff also helps you understand which wine goes best with what. So even if you are not a wine expert, tension nahi. Overall, it's not just a meal, it's an experience. Good food, beautiful views, chilled vibes, perfect for a slow, indulgent day out. We began with the chili fish, which was exceptional. It was soft, succulent, and perfectly cooked. Alongside, we ordered the tandoori platter. It was fresh, well marinated, and grilled to perfection with a subtle smoky flavor. Taste बिल्कुल balanced था, एकदम perfectly done. For the main course, we had roti with chicken butter masala and chicken curry. The chicken was extremely tender and soft, and both gravies were rich, flavorful, and comforting. Overall, Sula restaurant experience was outstanding. Ambience, food quality, and service. सब कुछ very well curated and satisfying. Truly a 10 on 10 experience.
Honestly, this was such a wholesome experience, beautifully curated from the lush green vineyards and perfect gardens to the guided tour, wine tasting, and that amazing restaurant. Everything felt well planned and premium, yet very relaxed. ये सिर्फ वाइनरी विजिट नहीं था, it's a complete day getaway. You come here to slow down, to breathe, to enjoy good food, good wine, and just spend quality time. The ambience is so calm, the staff were courteous, and the overall vibes was classy but not intimidating. For us at Fit Together Travel, this was definitely a memorable experience, something we would recommend for couples, families, or even chilled friends outing. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Fit Together Travel and comment below if you would have visited Domaine Sula. See you in the next one.